So as you can see, this trade I did, it was a micro scalping, and as you can see right here, the thing that I'm doing right here is that I'm looking for a confirmation entry and a sniper entry, because I can see a lot of liquidity below the zone, which will be swept, and it's getting swept right now. As you can see, the price is trying to go up. The buyers are coming in, aggressive buyers. It is very important that we are patient with the break even. I don't do it usually, but when I do it, I'm really patient about it. When the price hits maybe 1 to 1.5 or okay, I can do that. And if price is really going up fast, I'm not gonna take my TP right away. I'm going to start trailing it instead, right? Because in this case, the price wants to go up and up. It's going aggressively. There's a lot of aggression, so I'm gonna take benefit of that aggression. And as you can see, the price is going up very aggressively, so I'm gonna keep trailing it until it hits my stop profit. And in some cases, it goes to 50 points just like that. And this right here, my TB was 10 points. As you can see, this is about 15 points right now, not 50 points, 15 points. And we are stop profit right there.